Hi everyone, my name is Tanjun Lee. My material number is 305795. This video is about how to measure the loft and light angle of the golf club using the loft and light measuring tool. Now I'm use the iron 6 to measure the light and loft angle. So first, spread the club head into the light and loft machine. Then make sure the line of the club head is parallel with the red side. The line angle is the angle between the shaft and the ground. So adjust the line gauge until it touches the shaft correctly. And this iron 6, the line is the 60.5. So next one is the measure the loft angle. The loft angle is the angle between the shaft plane and the club face. So move the loft gauge until it is flush against the club face. So in this iron 6, the loft angle is 31. So to ensure accuracy, make sure double check both measurements. Now I want to demonstrate how to fit the golf club by adjusting the loft and light angle using the loft and light bending tool. Before starting, we need to check the current light and loft measurement compared to the requirement measurement. First, we adjust the light angle. Press the bending bar correctly on the hosel, then lock it. Then if we push up, it will bend, and if we push down, it will be fatter. Next is adjust the loft angle. At this spread, then lock it. Then apply control pressure to increase or decrease the loft as required. If pushed up, it will be de-loft. If it is pushed down, it will be strong loft. After adjusting, we need to press the golf club back to the light and loft measure machine, and then make sure the angle is fitting to the required specification. In the conclusion, proper adjustment of the loft and light angle is important for the golfer because it can affect their performance. Thanks you for watching.